Alright, so let's solve the following equation. Alright, so we have y square equal to k, that is, we can have y equal to what? Square root of what? K plus or minus. Okay, it means what? The answer is what? K, square root of k, or what? Minus what? Square root of what? K. Now, similarly, this ones we can have y square equal to what? K square. Here now we can have y equal to what? Plus or minus what? K square. So this one cancel. We have what? Plus or minus k. So this is the answer. Now look at this question now. Y square equal to 9. Here now, y will be what? Square root of what? 9 plus or minus. Y equal to what? Plus or minus 3. It makes what? Y equal to what? 3 or what? Minus 3. Similarly to this one, y square equal to what? 25. We can have s equal to what? Square root of what? 25 plus or minus. Here we have plus or minus root 5. Plus or